In this video, I'll show you how to create a path movement map in Camtasia. Using a path movement map is a great way to demonstrate movement across the screen or simulate following a route on a map. To achieve this, we'll use the motion path effect. When you apply the motion path, a default path will appear on the canvas with start and end points. You can simply drag these points to adjust where the movement begins and ends. For this example, we'll change the path style to a straight line. You can also add more motion points along the path to create smoother movements. Now, as you can see, the icon is not yet following the path. To fix this, enable the Auto Orient checkbox, which will automatically rotate the media as it moves along the path. In this case, the path is curved. You can adjust the curve by clicking and dragging the Bezier handles to fine-tune the path shape. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.